The MIVI Duopods A25 is compact and the design of the pods is really nice. It comes with this LED indicator for the case which tells the state of the charge, and also the earbuds or the pods itself, the earpods comes with an LED indicator at the bottom. The sound quality is pretty good for the price, and for 700 rupees you can't ask anything more, and it pairs to the phone very quickly. It also has less latency mode, and it comes with good bass, and the bass quality is pretty good for the price. The other good thing about it is that the case is type C enabled, so if you have a type C phone which has a type C charger, with that you can easily charge this MIVI buds. The only gripe that I have with this is that the case door is slightly on the weaker side, so there is no firm click to it and it can easily pop out, and that's the only gripe that I have. But apart from that, I think for the price that you pay, it's a price range which gives you type C and 20-hour music playback, and as well as the charging indicator built into it. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you do so, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Complete Tech Review, and for more interesting videos, stay tuned.